Borabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Magaro bengia umwanchu murigiria ekerondo checharagire chinsa inye ekerongo kwaligania ase nchira ya bene ase keunga chinsa inye elionkomanye ayagendrete gokorekana kurwa chinsemo au Wilson Makori nero gukoyaletera ase ebimanyererio na ncheni gongoro kwa Ruth Kemunto. Mwaziri bwechisemi umusikie Julius Migos Ogamba nigo abereka gusingirira na kubaburia aborokia banene wanchira aborokia ba grade ya 10 gosoa ase chiskuru nonyenekero batabwa chibesa gose uniform. Umusikie Migos boigo nigo akwanira chibesa gochia ase chiskuru gose capitation amo nebitabu ase abakawikirana ase gikarogie nsengima ekyuko sanga ebirengererio igoro yechisemi ime iyo mucho Nairobi. Murikito Dipon asanya na ikirana ase chinsemecho na wano niga gutuchakirie kiunga chinsanya.
Ase entunda ya kabere nigo muwaziri wechisemi Umusikie Migos Ogamba abwatukirege kurirege tindi gochia asabari mwabanene bechiskuru abukero kende bagoseria aborokia gochianka asogotekirana kwa magani abo bunaganire anene chi uniform ukwanekere kyuni gatebirenga bune serikali igaborokia abo barererwe getambukero egetindi ne serikali.
Principals need to support the government, and we are working with the TSC. And from today, data is being collected in the field. Should we find any principal who has returned to child law the reason of them not having school fees, of them not having school uniform, action will be taken through the employer, the TSC, including dismissal from their jobs.
Gukonekerekyo nigo boigo akwanira emeroberio ya serikali yogochikoena na ebitabu gochia ase chiskuru
Get that the schools are starting now today. The guidelines and the date which are already distributed to the teachers, they are working on their schemes, etc., etc. Some things going on in that space, and that is 50% in books. The other 50% is going to be based on language and about groups on the subjects. We have listened to two cookbooks per subject.
Igoro yechibesa cha capitation gochia ase chiskuru nigo Umusikie Migos ainekiribuna eserikali nigo yabwatukire kerengo yechibesa 50 igoro yemia gochia ase chiskuru lyokwenekia amasomo amororo gochisaborokiwa.
I know the capitation that we increase, which is secondary school is 22,224. It's equally for assignments, first term 50%, second term 5%, first term 20%. We reduce the 50%, and the second person up of this 4 days of the person's and that amount is to sustain students for the first term this financial year or this academic year. So issues related to whether or not we will be able to face money are issues conversations that we have. Look at what can be done if the budgetary constraints that exist, and if there is a possibility of getting more money, then we want to go back to that. But at the moment, we are dealing with the 50% that doesn't have 100%.
Nigo akwana yaiga chingaki au mirana na babwatani au be sekta yechisemi unenjere yamo yogo kwanera emechando elia nene rengete esekte yo ime yomocho Nairobi kuripoteri getaseni kia getembe elietera na igongoro kwa Dipon asanya.
Abonchoreria bechiro ya Kibirigo iyo gotoka imeye wodi ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira nigo besokia emambie litukulia lero na kubolia eserikali anene ye county eyo gekora unero mugavana Amos Kimwomunyaribo amona montonde bwensi oratwale omoyobogo konya elia mokonye omusacho yomo oyo utamanyiri asakorwa na saguchi kubwatekana na Kiribuna nigero mwenyene ate manyeti kolengana na bonchoreria abo nigo batebiribuna omusacho yoiga okagere koba gati emyaka 30 goika emyaka 40 nigo arorekanire asechiri ya Kibirigo asechigi kibere bono na nigo abeire kagwe kurulia kurwa asegesonekemo goika asegesona kende ase batamanyeti aso musacho yakoru ase Kiribuna nigo ero manyene ate manyeti nigo babolirie onde bwensi ori no moyo bugwancha anyare ko bakagwe sokya na komokonya ase Kiribuna nonye no kuria endagerere nkongu nigo ero muchando aso musacho yiga muri kito Fatgad Gisemba na roboturu aso wime.
Umusacha uyoiga ukageire koba gati y'emyaka 30 n'emyaka 40 uyo utaramanywa asarwete nonya nerita ryaye gekogera tarakwana nigo akageire koba asechiro iyo ya Kibirigo wetania chiwiki ibere bono nigo abairega wetanana wetera ukwagura kurwase egesonekemo gucha ikende Caroline Oko no munjuriria uyore egati yabu babeire bagwesokya na gotema komwa ndagira engusu.
Kwa majina ni Caroline Oko. Jambo ambayo imetupata kwa sasa ni ya huyu mgonjwa ambaye amelala hapa hivi. Huyu mgonjwa hawezi akaongea, hawezi kula na kwa sasa hivi amemaliza 2 weeks. Hatujui familia yake. Na ya pili hawezi kuelezea venye amefika hapa hivi. Kwa sababu inaonekana ametoka mbali.
Na niki cyane geke nabokora nabwato mucyano egekogera tari kuragira tari kuimoka asaikarase no ari okwagura kuna kwagura cyusi garenge gikigari nyaro abantu botogakagira nawo amaru anywete kumbe tari maru arenge orura segari nyaro bono kire bisona bono in fact wasu nabotoroche ngantu bwato bwo bake serikali yarenge gwanja emurusi ga emokonye rira banyena asebare nanda tangasu amanyikana asa abanyene bare erinde bamonyore bamuire bakikomurenda
kubatikana na yaboigo ebatebire omusacho yoiga nigo ataratwara chingurubuya kubwatikana nenjira are nganonya no koria endagera enkongu tari konyara kuyita kuna
wenye walimuona mara ya kwanza wiki ambayo limepita walikuwa nasema kwamba miguu ilikuwa imefura na ilikuwa kando kando ya barabara. Wasamaria wema wakamsaidia mpaka amefika wakati huu, kwa sababu kuna wengine ambao walikuwa na utu walikuwa naweza kumnunulia maziwa, wengine glucose na wengine hata kumpa nafasi ya kulala mahali.
Ukwagura ukuiga kwaye kurwasigesieri kenyumba bucha ikende nigo kwaireire boigo akongu abaunchuria abaiga kugendereria ubunchuria bwabo buna butambe
otonya kubaga gotu affect buna into abanyabiasara asengenjo nigo gocha kwanyora gaikaransi gesieri kyawo gara irororo ono ogusinyuko igora nono ogusinyuko musuki tari gotara nabo nabari bunari buna muroche sari gorende
nabo tori no ogokumio konene kero dukubuka mambia kwanyora umuntu araire gesieri kyawo nona asogo soa gosoera igwasinyo
bono nigo basabire serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira nabo igo onde bwensi ore no moyo muya wesokya asobwango na kumuya omusacho yoiga eryo airwe enyagitari eryo abweni weritangani abantu bamwabo kobagenderete kuganyererwa eryo nabarabu besokye asengenjo yokomotambua
wane togo sabaiga serikali Kenya kwa yo konyo muntu yo koronse iga saraire moroche state ya etelingi ya mono wane togo sabe serikali nyako ya komokonye murusi segaiga bakieto muriro muchonya mire muruari anyarako baga kubwena nere family yabo nyarako bageko geko munyora naso morembe
okoiga na kugusaba kwa babenyi abaiga byomuche o Kibirigo abo banyarako bakoboria serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira nabo igo onde bwensi obwate omoyo muya erio erwe gokonya omusacho oyo iga oyoberega kobara asaya iga erinde anyara kobaga konyora obobwenia ingo ripota Getembe koroiga somochie okebirigo oyo gotoka ime ya wodi ya Bonyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira Jeffat Gad Hisemba
Omongino yomo korwa ase kenyorugie chironge kia Mukama division imeye wodi ya kia Mukama Nyaribari Masabi county ya Kisii nigo abakagwe sokia ase barasa iya korekana litukulia lero na kuboria eamate abana kenyoro amona bagambi bonsi borogongorwo kuimukirira iguru na kumuikange eriko mokonya kogayana engusanano yendemero eywegendrete koenekiwa ase nsemo yaye nonyena bo nigo omongino yo aberega koerana gotebabuna nigo endagira amone chimbebe chiabachigo salibwa ekikia muirirere gutwara obwoba egento kia mwachinguru kuimuka na kugania bokonyi anene kurua ase baraseyo muri kitugwe Cliff Tyson Manyara na ikirana asayo na gutwareganiria orobochurwo
Raeli Nyanchama Ontita oyore omongina omoke ogatatu bwomogaka Stephen Anyona murefu nigo atameire eamate abanyakenyoro amona abagambi komokonya kukaganyana omugusano no bwendemero ora asenga yaye endagera amone chimbebe nigo chiaba chigosaligwa eyo yairerete kurangerie parasa ase chinsemo ekyo
lero igo nachichaiga nabagambi baminto asengencho yeryugiri abiririwa kurwo mogaka Anyona muina bwamira nimbororo bwoboremu omugaka Anyona abwata bangina batatu mongno monene akurukwere na abwata abamura batano uyu kabira akurukuroda igabwata abamura babiri uyu gatatu Rael igabwata omumuro yomo
akirega iga imbwata bakongu isumbogete na tubulimo bwana no mugaka Anyona ekerango bulimo akanga buya tukangalie namba akanga akambe kiresi pako pakaba mbaro ba tubutatu akatobekera twensi kerato bekera obole mobu bwalire nando mbokire bina konseriale ngandu asobole mobu tamanyetio obutere kinyomba cyane yani orobwana obutere okolire obutere cyane okolire obutere matoka no okolire ebituma byano obutere okolire kimbwati kende ngolia
korengana no mongina Raeli omugaka oya Stephen Anyona na baterete obolemo asichinga kichaitire na kera omongina nigo abwate etaito didi yaye kurende bono omugaka oyoye nigo abeire gakumonjokera na komorentera liberera na nigo baikanirie ase kigambere kenene na ekigambere kyo nigo getaranyara kuna cha gosego kora ekina ekyo
nasengenjo toseri gukorwenka aso wengeta seri motara imoka abande mbacha bakarigereria ng'akie mochiora bibi motara imoka moike kamarenga nakio mochiora biri gati na mogwanja nganta seri no korara atokorara simichi sayanyisa atobwato bwa batoko basariri n'emiora
diego tebe kananga ekerobo mubwatetwe omongina Rael igaro chitari gochiko transfer arietari yaye naende gochiaso mumura bokali ku direct ase erietari ya Ruben as Oseka Anyona
abanyakenyoro na eamate nigo baikirana ase baraseyo na gotebania asobwa mabuna omongina Raeli Nyanchama Ontita nari no busibore na obwene bwaye kogenderera koba asendemereyo egekogera buna asitaiyo agochia na indenere obwate taito didi anyare koganya ekigambero kenene inakike gochi konacha ekina ekyo
aiga ichendo muhamate wekenyoro aiga so mongino obwata bokon mwakoye mbwa mwabo nimanyete ubuguma bwo muchiye mongina Raeli Anyona yeye muntu na yero mwakoye na munyomete officially nore mbakorete nyangiya ye mission usega serikali
aba amate bakwanira mangana bali barengo including bali batetobole a community yamanya gotebanga omongina Raeli ne ari bamanye tobogole mubono obwaye asikwe mbaka bali bagoteba baboirire balente land registrar mugaso igora beke chipekon tomanyo buli mubwa Raeli aseboigete nabo mwante bya bamate
ase barase yeyo abagambi abo barengeo mbanyara gukwanira chisemi oborendi na ayande ayarengete ekenyoro ekegima
omwana oyo muimo kibuna toriga imuire mpaka school bune directive yaru wetu aso igwime unconditionally asome gosoma ndalo twateba
kuripoti ligatembe kurwa kiamo kama ward nyali bali Masaba Kisii County nje Wycliffe Tyson Manyara
Mwanchumu ligereria tukwirana county ya Nyamira nigo murikyo ito Fatgad agotumanye buna ense mugete yabasaye au barobereti guchigo korobekana litukulia ankyo nigo batuguteirale okorobekana oku ase bale kwemurunganiria enchira county ya Nyamira guse serikali ye county eyo yabeteke gutumeka chibesa hachi magenderero eti yabeteke gusirwa amone bengi ya World Bank abasabo bakora onere Crisantos Inyabera nigo batebire nigo umugavana bwe county eyo Muski Amos kimumenya ribo abwereta kwegwa chinga kichingororo Elia Esoki na kubairira enchira abeteka gutumeka chibesa echo cyamagenderero
Ntwabwata amaboria mange sana aso mheshimiwa ito governor His Excellency Amos Nyaribo amangana arenge from the Gen Z employment na to promise tina ngo employer chi Gen Z lero twango mabori naki umosike chi Gen Z chiri wata beto ko employee ogo propose from each sub county kaibare over clear auto tabina public service board teraba formed by February ngobere formed nande amabagayo nabe advertised ekero public service board yeti guya bere vetted yeti guya chakira colleagues amangana ande twabwate na amangana World Bank suspension chibes cyari gocha Nyamira chikora magendro chikaba suspended intubune viongozi bya bananchi twate ni tekidete tokatabana lazima tuandamane lakini rero esengencho twegure na mambia abantu aba bisakora World Bank ngocha bari Nyamira kurigerera investigation yecho twatebere na we keep on hold. Lakini on Thursday, we'll still petition our governor to make a petition of the issues we are raising as young people of Nyamira.
Asengencho ama ruve nara itana online about the suspension ya World Bank ase amangana okoleta grants ase Nyamira ekanyarikananga umete World Bank nere bogoriti county asa amangana magendero tukaranga tobe suspended inkitoranyora ase county no wakasi na kinkiparanyore so ekabetereri tone ki ngaki chibese chikoba suspended ku Nyamira gocha Nyamira. That's why the question to batanga ki omo governor can you come out clear auto eresenga ingaki World Bank go suspend nande onye chibese jinjira asira buna mota yanjira asira ngai chibese jichire na onye chiakorera magendero kichiakorera but wono tuacha konyora later nga bado World Bank nenga ko investigation before atara give out the official information yoko pana Nyamira
mosene toito Kongo aticha somo governor kakwa nenere amanye igoro ya World Bank na kichwa chetu che county cha tenenetu
Omukonyi w'omurayo munene bw'ikyama gya Jubilee umuske Daktari Fred Matiang'i nigo aberiga komochie serikali kubwatekana nechibura buru echichabete chikoene kiwa ase kanisa yemo imeye bunge ya Uthaya asomusangiririkano uyobete ko wikiranwa no mukonyi w'omurayi bwense ya Kenya umukuru umuske Rigathi Gachagua okorengana nere nigo akwerana gotebabuna serikali nige bwendete gukora obutuki bwime na koene kibuna bali bonsi babete bakoene kya chibura buru echo ase omusangiririkano yubo gusasima nko mukiri wabale egetambo kiregetindikeli chiko.
If it comes to a point where it has expired in your case, you don't have to beat innocent children and women about it. Go say sasa vile imekuwa iko namna hii, you know, kutakuwa na siku ingine. That is how life is, and that's how we become a mature country. But we shouldn't go the way that happened yesterday. Very, very shameful. And we have seen this again and again and again. The level of arrogance that you see, goons, you know, armed people. We're moving around, and then, you know, for me, no one will tell me, will give me lectures about we didn't know what was happening. A national leader of Gachagua's stature, when they move to a particular place and they're going to have a function in a particular place, the county security team knows. The National Intelligence Service officers in that area knew that there was going to be a meeting that day. How can you tell me that they did not know there was a plan to disrupt the meeting? So this pretense and so on, okay, it will be tested. They have said they have all vowed action, including the Inspector General. let's give them the benefit of doubt and wait for the action.
Mwanchumu ligeriria orobotirwe Dr. Fred Matiang'i na rogotoira asense mentangani iyo mutumuko bweke unga chensa inya kurende toira tosuka nkwirana tole asige kagetari getambe elio togendere gukumanya.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye buna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokokora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tubase kweva turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Mwanchumu ligeriria karibu nande asensemeye ya kabereye kiunga chensa inye. Mwaziri we wizara ya mangana agenda omusike ana Cheptumo nigo abeirega kuboria ogokianiwa na boigo ogosira wechisegi chiegenka una enchereyemo nande nyororo yogosukia ense ya Kenya mutu. Musike ana nigo alenge kuya kwana yaiga ase amagacho a State House chingaki oroboti igoro ya mangana yechisegi chiegenka ruabwatukwa.
The work of this task force marks not the end, but the beginning of a renewed, resourced and relentless national effort to realize a Kenya where every citizen is safe and has dignity. I thank you, Your Excellency, for your steadfast leadership and your unwavering commitment to the empowerment and the protection of the people of Kenya. I'd just like to make a small correction from what the chair said. 15 billion is not enough. I think she meant 50 billion. So I think billion. Yes, because 15 million per year is not enough. It is then, how much was it? Billion, yes, not million. Yes, she meant 15 billion, not 15 million. So that is the kind of a budget we are looking at, but not only the budget, but we also, the campaign that she spoke about, where we go to every function, whether it is church, whether it is a school, whether it is any function, we will be speaking about it because we need our country to be safe. We need our women and girls to be free. We need our boys and girls to enjoy the leadership of His Excellency the President. I want to agree with you, Chair, that the only way to Singapore is to support the work the President is doing through the building of affordable housing, the markets, but we will not enjoy working in those places unless we do away.
Abo batani ebe kiama kia UDA nigo baumirana asomuchu Nairobi asamagacho a State House asiba kwanira amange igoro ye kiama kia UDA amonobo korelibuaye gochia ase aba Kenya ekero balinge gukwana ase chinga kiecho nigo baba bagotogia ekiamekyo nagoteba nigo kiarule obokoreli obonge nabo igobia gochia saba Kenya.
Will be launching the extension of the railway line from Naivasha, through Narok, through Bomet, through Nyamira, through Kisumu, into Malaba and into Uganda. That is why, after we do Rironi Mau Summit, the President will lead us again to extend that road in two ways. One way through Eldoret to Bungoma and Malaba, another way through Kericho, Kisumu, into Malaba. Rise the fire, see fire. That is why we are modernizing the Kenya Ports Authority in Mombasa. I've spoken to KPA this morning. Soon the President will go there to groundbreak for a modernization program for Mombasa Port.
We at the legislature, when we receive legislative proposals from the executive, we take our time and share our thoughts, infuse that which we feel will work better for the country, and finally send it over to the President for assent, and it becomes law. And many times we do that fully aware that we went to the campaigns together, you led us as a team, and there are promises that we made to the people of Kenya, which we in Parliament work hard to ensure that we implement.
But moving on now to even what you have called or christened the Singapore dream or the journey to Singapore. That indeed, Your Excellency, as we put on page 10 of our manifesto, and I had hoped the Secretary General would have shared a copy of our UDA manifesto and the Kenya Kwanza manifesto. Part of what, Your Excellency, you have been speaking to is the establishment of a National Sovereign Wealth Fund and the National Infrastructure Fund that we actually put in black and white on page 10 of our manifesto. And we say that we shall establish a national infrastructure bank. We call it a bank in our manifesto, and that is what we are now calling a fund. And I know there are discussions, Your Excellency, on still.
Naboigo umraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto neranigo airali bagalia bene na gukwanira igoro yoko bwaterana gati yekiama kia UDA amona kirigia ODM asabaga koene kia eganga yoko bwaterana uko na nene nase obochori bonene bolibosyo obochori bo mwaka abwechiri bubere na 2025.
As you are aware, we have also, as we talk today, we have a broad-based government arrangement. Si ni kweli? Tulikuwa na matatizo, makelele, fujo, maandamano. Tukasema, in every challenge, there is a silver lining. And there is an opportunity if you look carefully. So in that challenge that we were undergoing, instead of focusing on the challenge, we decided to create an opportunity out of it. Today we have a broad-based government with our friends, the ODM party, and we have agreed that this broad-based has worked. Has it worked or has it not? Ule Mbadi si anaeleza maneno ya bottom up kuliko wengine wetu hapa? Ama? He's done a good job, right? And all the other members of ODM who have worked with us in government. And it is said, if it is working, don't fix it. Sindio? So what we have agreed with the leadership of ODM, that let us explore the option and the opportunity of having a coalition going into the next election. And it is because we want to broaden our base. Listen to me, guys. This election inakuja, we want to win by a margin of between 2 and 3 million. Mnanisikia? Wacha nirudie. This election, the last election, we won by a margin of 200,000. 200,000. This election, we must win by a margin of 2 to 3 million. Ndio tuunganishe Kenya, tutembee pamoja. And I am very clear in my mind. There is a reason, there is justification for us to consolidate the country into one.
Mwanchumo likiriria narayitwa kwariganirie ase kiunga chinsa inye maragoba ya bono ngwa kirembia mono ya bene ase ngenchu wanja gusoncha Gatembe TV imeroberio au na boigo kiunga ngukuganiria otwaro botuko borobia na boigo gendere gutwara oborigereri borobia goikaritukuria ankyo elio tokoletera yande unarabe atekire tobotera nere Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio Wilfred Matundura nere olengigalia sensemo ye chikamera oyonekia elio gine chibicha bya goikire byonsi nigakoruko Kevin Ongeri ose DJ Adson Anchini Gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.